In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the gas cap on your Ford Explorer, located right underneath your filler neck door. You want to go ahead and open up your fuel filler cap. Go ahead and remove your fuel filler cap. Drop that down to the side. Next, we're going to use our 7mm socket. We'll go ahead and remove this screw here. This lower one is holding your fuel filler cap, so you can remove that all together with the screw. Get that screw starter with that strap on there. I'm going to go ahead and snug these down. Install your filler cap. And once you have your cap on, go ahead and close that door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.